Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shyam. I welcome you all to my channel Dr. Pharma. And on this video, we will see the difference between common cold, flu and COVID-19 disease based upon the signs and the symptoms. Now, if we talk about the fever will be mild in common cold if it is present, means common cold is there, then it is more often in case of flu, and in case of COVID-19 also it is more often. Talking about fatigue and tiredness, in case of common cold it is mild or occasionally. In case of COVID-19 also it may be occasionally or occasional, but in case of flu, see here, tiredness and fatigue will be common. So the patient having flu will be fatigue and tiredness, or feel fatigue and tiredness. Talking about the sneezing, again in case of flu and the COVID-19, both are infrequent, or you can say uncommon, but it is common in common cold. Talking about body ache, again in case of common cold and the flu it may be common, and in COVID-19 it may be occasional. Talking about headache will be very infrequent in case of common cold. Again, headache will be common in case of flu, and it is occasional in case of COVID-19. Talking about sore throat, it is common in case of common cold, and in flu it is occasional, and COVID-19 also it is occasional, but sore throat may take place in COVID-19 also. Talking about the stuffy, or you can say running nose, that again it is common in case of common cold, as we know, and it may be occasional in case of flu. It may be infrequent in case of COVID-19. Talking about diarrhea, you know that in common cold there is no diarrhea. Now in case of flu and then COVID-19, again it is occasional and it is infrequent, and it means that it may be uncommon, or you can say diarrhea may not be present to a COVID-19 patient. Talking about watery eyes, it is common in case of common cold. It is common in case of flu also, but it may be infrequent, or you can say rare, or you can say less common in case of COVID-19. Talking about the cough, it is mild in case of common cold. There will be dry cough if the person is individually suffering from flu, and there will be a dry cough, and they are often or usually severe in case of COVID-19. So in case of COVID patient, there will be a cough that is dry cough, and it is severe in nature. Talking about shortness of breath, there is no shortness of breath in case of common cold. In case of flu, it is rare in nature, but there will be a shortness of breath with mild and moderate infection with the individual suffering from COVID-19 infection. Now the last part is difficulty in breathing. In common cold, you don't have any difficulty of breathing. No, there may be a difficulty of breathing in a patient suffering from flu, but that too in a severe infection. But yeah, of course it is common. It is so common in COVID-19 patient. It means that COVID-19 patient will have shortness of breathing for sure. So in this way also we can differentiate the common cold, flu and COVID-19 disease based upon the signs and the symptoms. So this is a brief information. I hope it is helpful. We can differentiate between these three diseases. And if you feel it is knowledgeable, please share the video. Thank you all.